A rise in Omicron cases across Bexar County means, once again, people are working from home. In tonight's Wear the Gown, Eyewitness News reporter Jeremy Baker explains how to get through this latest surge.
There seems to be a lot of confusion around the words quarantine and isolation, even this close to 2 years into the pandemic. When you quarantine, that's when you've been exposed to the virus and you don't go anywhere.
Which means you've been within 6 feet of someone else that has positive COVID for at least 15 minutes in a 24-hour time period. And that means that you may not be infected yet, but you could get infected. You could be in that incubation window right before you get infected.
Dr. Jason Bowling is an infectious disease specialist with University Health. He says if you test positive for the virus, that is when you isolate yourself at home.
But that can come with challenges because if you live with other people, what are you supposed to do? Ideally, you stay in a room by yourself. And if you can, have a dedicated bathroom.
If it's hard to isolate yourself in a room, you should be wearing a mask to reduce the chance of transmission to other people within your household. I really appreciate you wearing that. It is my pleasure, but you should be wearing one too.
If you have access to a surgical mask or a barrier mask, that's ideal. If you have a cloth mask, make sure it's at least 2 layers. It fits well against your face. But please wear that if you're going to be around people that you don't know, because the risk right now in the San Antonio area is very high.
Medical professionals are already so bogged down with patients, and as the case numbers rise, they need your help.
We're getting geared up for hospitalizations and everything else that we've seen with our prior surges. What we need from the community is everybody's help wearing the masks, avoiding large crowds, staying home if you're sick.
Dr. Bowling also stresses to get that booster, and if you still have not gotten a vaccine, it is not too late. Jeremy Baker, KENS 5 Eyewitness News.
For more information on family health, call 210-358-3045. You can see more Wear the Gown stories online at wearthegown.com.